कुछ भी बोलते हैं।
हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन टू द न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ कुछ भी बोलते हैं। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट सुनील भाई, पहले ये बताइए कि आज का दिन कैसा रहा आपका?
My day was fantastic. You know, I'm a filmy guy, so I think my day was fantastic. But first of all, thank you everyone for watching our videos, our reels, and giving such a nice, fantastic response to it. So I'm very thankful to each and everyone for that. But the day was fantastic. Why? Because there are many reasons for that. You know, I
थोड़ा बहुत
start.
मुझे पता है, लेकिन अब मुझे थोड़ा सा आपके चेहरे से भी पता चल रहा है कि मतलब क्या रीज़न है। मैंने भी इस बार वो देखा है जो चीज़ सुनील भाई देख के आए हैं। तो उसी से स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो सबसे बड़ा बैंगर जो आज आया है, टीजर आया है,
Yeah, which everyone was excited about, and they announced it yesterday that today they were going to release the teaser of Dhurandhar. And see, what happened is that expectations went very high. So they released the teaser today. It was only for 1 minute 12 seconds, and they released a teaser of Dhurandhar 2, which is releasing on the 19th of March on Eid against Toxic. So the first thing which I did in the morning was to see the teaser. So I don't know, you haven't seen it yet. It was, I was like taken back because the teaser showed exactly what they showed in Dhurandhar. When you saw the Dhurandhar first part, and in the end, after the titles, they showed a glimpse of what is going to happen in Dhurandhar 2. So it was kind of that, but it was little bit here and there.
they are continuing the same story basically.
Yeah, and they showed the scenes, the same kind of scenes where it's going to be the revenge.
Yeah.
What happened in Dhurandhar 1 was the Ranveer Singh was a little laid back and let Akshay Khanna take over the thing. But in this Dhurandhar 2, Ranveer Singh is going to take over the entire empire and take over the entire throne of Akshay Khanna, and that's what they're showing in Dhurandhar 2. But the excitement is built up more and more. It's going to be a kick-ass movie, and definitely it's going to be fantastic.
क्योंकि अभी जैसे इस धुरंधर नेटफ्लिक्स पे आई थी तो दोबारा से हमने 2-3 दफा देख चुके हैं।
Yeah, I mean,
मतलब
imagine.
you watch it again and again, like you will not believe it's more than 3 hours.
Yeah.
और पता ही नहीं चलता।
Yeah, but they have cut 10 minutes, and that's what people are disappointed, and people are actually trolling it that why have they cut the bad words, and some scenes have been cut off. 10 minutes have been cut off. Actually, they should have put some uncut version. People are expecting some uncut version, but they have cut off 10 minutes. But it's okay. People are still watching it, and imagine, in spite of being in the cinemas, people are still watching it on Netflix, and that's the craze of Dhurandhar. So the teaser was quite good, and it was not above expectations, but it was okay. We were quite excited.
लेकिन एक चीज़ और भी है ना कि जैसे धुरंधर 2 और टॉक्सिक सेम डे पर रिलीज हो रही है। अभी धुरंधर 2 का टीजर आ गया है
Yeah.
और टॉक्सिक का टीजर हम पहले देख चुके हैं।
Yeah.
सो इसको देख के आपको क्या लगता है कि जहाँ तक आपने बोला कि स्टोरी तो सेम इसमें कंटिन्यू हो रही है, और टॉक्सिक इज लाइक वेरी न्यू स्टोरी, न्यू लाइक इट्स अ वेरी मास एक्शन। तो आपको अभी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं आपकी?
नहीं, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम टेलिंग यू, टॉक्सिक का ट्रेलर आना अभी बाकी है। आई एम टेलिंग यू, वेट। टॉक्सिक का मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि उसका ट्रेलर आएगा, एंड द मूवी, अगर वो टॉक्सिक भी पीछे नहीं हट रहा है तो ज़रूर उसमें कुछ बात होगी। यश इज़ he is waited for 4 years for this movie, and Geetu Mohandas ऐसे नहीं है कि she's just done anything. This also movie is going to give it a tough, I was still thinking that, they both should think, and one movie should go 1 week, prepone it or postpone it or do something, but still they both are adamant on 19 March. So let it be war. War होना है तो होने दो, देखेंगे जो वो होगा. But it, I don't know. I mean, many are going to go for Dhurandhar. Still has a one step ahead, but still Toxic is there. It's going to be there. So
आई थिंक जहाँ तक टीजर्स की बात है, ट्रेलर्स की जो बात है, हमारे तो देखने में लगता है कि कंपटीशन
yeah, but still this is Dhurandhar 2, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dhurandhar 2. So let's get ready for that. But the second thing today, Rana, what happened in the late afternoon, which you have missed out, is they released the teaser of Sunny Deol's movie Ikka. Now I'll tell you something about Ikka. Now this movie actually, I don't know how many of you know, this movie was actually announced during the making of the movie Jat. Now, क्या हो गया था कि Border 2 जब रिलीज हो गई और इतनी बड़ी not Border 2, sorry, Jat movie जब रिलीज हुई, it became a super duper not Jat even, Gadar 2. गदर 2, आई एम सो सॉरी, यू नो क्या होता है ये स्क्रिप्ट के बिना स्पॉन्टेनियस होने में ये प्रॉब्लम होता है. जब गदर 2 रिलीज हुई, इट बिकेम अ सुपर डुपर ब्लॉकबस्टर, और सनी देओल का तो देयर वाज नो लुकिंग बैक. ही गॉट अ सेकंड लाइफ, और गदर 2 500 करोड़ के ऊपर हो गई. और उस वक्त सनी देओल इमीडिएटली फ्रॉम ही वाज चार्जिंग 6 crores टिल गदर 2, and immediately he started charging 50 crores and people were ready to pay. Gopi Chand Malini with My Three Movies started Jaat 2 with 50 crores de diya, and that is during the making of Jaat 2. Actually that time Netflix had a lot of money. They made a lot of movies, you know, and so they that time proposed this movie with Sunny Deol to Excel Entertainment, Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar. They said we want to make a movie with Sunny Deol, and they gave 100 crores to Excel Entertainment to make a movie with Sunny Deol. And you know, I'll tell you, this is a fact that before Dhurandhar released, they signed Akshay Khanna as the villain against Sunny Deol. But now people are thinking that Akshay Khanna is hot property, and that's why this movie Ikka has become so exciting, so exciting. They released a small teaser today, and everyone is so like, you know, Sunny Deol versus Akshay Khanna, क्या होने वाला है. But the real story is that कि अक्षय खन्ना को तो पहले साइन कर लिया था वो as a villain. But अभी now this movie is going to catch up more with. This movie is a courtroom drama. And it's got fantastic star cast. तुमने देखी या नहीं देखी तुमने?
ये अभी मैंने नहीं देखी, मैं तो सो रहा
देखा, you know, it's got a beautiful star cast. It's got Dia Mirza and a lot of other stars. This movie is going to be finished in a couple of months, and it's going to release directly on Netflix. And it's directed by Farhan Akhtar, and Excel Entertainment gave the movie to Siddharth Anand. Now, Siddharth Anand is the person who got Shah Rukh Khan back as Pathan. You know, so they gave the biggest blockbuster Pathan. But I'm scared. You know why? Because Siddharth Anand made a movie for Netflix called Jewel Thief with Saif Ali Khan, and it was a disaster. So I'm scared कि सिद्धार्थ आनंद फिर से तो नहीं चूना लगाएगा नेटफ्लिक्स को, यू नो. तो
ज्वेल थीफ का पता है क्या हुआ था? ज्वेल थीफ जब हमने टीजर देखा था, उसके बाद जब देखने लगे थे तो मुझे लगा था कि रेस 1 रेस 2 की याद आ रही थी.
हाँ,
ज्वेल को देख, लेकिन जब वो मूवी
देखा तो
सब भूल गए.
थर्ड क्लास पिक्चर बनाई. तो सिद्धार्थ आनंद तो लोग क्या होता है कि जब कोई पिक्चर ऐसी, यू नो, हाइप कर देते हैं कि सिद्धार्थ आनंद तो वो अभी कुछ भी करेगा, ही इज लाइक दैट किंग हु टचेस एनीथिंग एंड टर्न्स इनटू गोल्ड. वो हो गया था.
सिर्फ वो जयदीप ने थोड़ा बहुत मेंटेन किया था, लेकिन
या बट पिक्चर तो बकवास थी. तो यू नो अभी वापस नेटफ्लिक्स एंड सिद्धार्थ आनंद. And but still, if you see the teaser, Sunny Deol is like, you know, that Damini ka lawyer. But if you see some clips, you know, they remind me of that movie. A long back there was a movie called Diwangi, you know, Ajay Devgan and Akshay Khanna. You know, there was a psycho killer, and then there was a lawyer, and the fight between them. It reminds me a bit of them, but I think the movie is going to be fantastic. It's going to release on Netflix free of charge. So I think, you know, you don't come to know whether the movie is going to be a blockbuster but the movie is going to be good. 100% the movie is going to be good. So watch it. It's going to be free, and the movie is called Ikka with Sunny Deol and Akshay Khanna. So this is the second thing which we watched today. So the day is going to be good, yeah.
Day is already good for you.
Yeah.
You watched 2 exciting teasers. Yeah. So recently we have watched one web series. मेरे लिए तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. For me, why my face is like this, my expressions. दलदल, भूमि पेडनेकर्स वेब सीरीज दलदल. सुनील भाई, आपने भी देख ली है?
मैं तो एक ही दिन में देख लिया. You know, एक ही दिन में खत्म कर दी. तुमने कितने दिन लगाए? मैंने
2 दिन लगाए. मतलब 2 रातें ज़ाया की मैंने. सोने के टाइम पे मैं देख रहा था कि मैं चलो कुछ होगा, मतलब ये होगा कि कुछ होगा, लेकिन कुछ.
I'll tell you, Rana, basically this trend of cop versus a psycho killer. Actually, Rana, I'll tell you, this started in 2018 with a South movie called Rat Sasan. You know, this started in 2018. It was a South Indian movie. It starred Vishnu Vishal, and it was one of the biggest blockbuster. And it was made on a budget of only 15 crores, and it made more than 200 crores. And that started the trend the craze of a cop going against a psycho killer just going on a rampage of murders, and and then there are many web series like Asur, but Asur, it made a twist, with a mythological, twist, and then they made movies. There are many movies with the same genre they started. Some were very successful, and that encouraged more movies with cop versus the psycho killer. And this
Patal log is a good example.
yeah, so they, बहुत सक्सेस लोग, बहुत पिक्चरें, बहुत वेब सीरीज बनती गई इसी जो है, बिकॉज लोगों को अच्छा लगने लगा कि एक कॉप है, एक साइको किलर है, वो मर्डर्स करते जा रहा है, पर मगर बहुत कम वेब सीरीज, बहुत कम फिल्म्स थी जिसमें वो कंटेंट को एक मकसद था, वो साइको किलर को एक मकसद था, और वो कॉप को भी एक अच्छा बैकग्राउंड था, वो एक अच्छा स्टोरी था, एक अच्छा कंटेंट था. नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दलदल, व्हिच हैज भूमि पेडनेकर एज द कॉप.
Yes.
And the psycho killer का नाम था Samara Tijori. Samara Tijori plays the psycho killer. Now
That journalist.
yeah, so coming to Dal, what's good? The good is that the subject is very good, and the performances are very good. Especially I'll tell you the one of the best performances by that assistant police inspector female, Geeta Agarwal. I think her name is Geeta Agarwal. She plays assistant police cop,
She was helping Bhumi.
Helping. Her role was fantastic. She performed fantastically. You will remember her even after the web series. She did a fantastic job. Yeah, she was so natural. So I think that was the good part of Dal. Now what's bad? There's so many bad things about it. No, really. I'm see, that's what we are. We are very honest.
हाँ, जो है वो है.
मैंने तुम्हें पहले भी कहा था कि I'll tell you once again very frankly to all these makers and directors, if you don't have enough content, if you don't have enough screenplay, if you don't have so much content, don't make it 7 episodes of 50 minutes each. Don't drag it. Who's told you? I mean, do just because you want to sell it to the OTT platforms, don't make it. Don't make it short, make it 4 episodes if you don't have so much content. Don't drag it where people are fed up, and this director Rana, what has he done as, he doesn't have the content, so what happened, wo police wali ki story, Bhumi Pednekar ki background story, चल रही है, वो psycho killer की अलग story चल रही है, वो चल रही है. We are watching it.
मतलब उसमें ऐसा हो रहा था कि एक स्टोरी आई है, फिर उससे पीछे की आ रही है.
हाँ,
फिर उसके पीछे की आ रही है.
वो एपिसोड का क्या है? Every episode should end with a cliffhanger that next episode I want to watch now. This is a web series. See, we are not saying that every web series should have Neeraj Pandey ka, touch. We are not saying that. But at least there should be a Family Man, Mirzapur, or Rana Naidu, something entertaining, something gripping, something like that, something edge of the seat होना चाहिए. What was this? What was Dal? सबसे तो मुझे स्क्रीन प्ले से ज़्यादा I was more worried about, मुझे चिंता थी ये भूमि पेडनेकर के लिप्स. यार कौन से मधुमक्खी ने काट दिया यार इसके लिप्स को? यार क्या हो गया था यार?
लिप्स मतलब मैं एक छोटी सी चीज़ बोलूँगा यहाँ पे कि मूवी में जितनी भी वेब सीरीज है, कुछ उसमें थोड़े बहुत अप्स होते हैं, डाउन्स होते हैं. कि मतलब कहीं पे कैरेक्टर्स की कहीं स्टोरी लाइन स्टार्ट होती है, कुछ होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे भूमि का फेस फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड
नहीं लेकिन तुमने चेंज क्यों किया टॉपिक? बताओ तुम इसके लिप्स के रेम बताओ यार. ये
लिप्स का
नहीं बताओ. नहीं मुझे अजीब लग रही थी यार तुम अजीब लग रही थी वो. नहीं मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा था. नहीं ये लड़कियां कर क्या रही हैं अपने चेहरे को यार? कर क्या रही हैं यार? उसके लिप्स जो हैं मधुमक्खी ने ऐसा काटा था, मुझे अजीब लग रहा है. उसको देख के मुझे तरस आ रहा था यार कि क्या हो रहा है यार.
बट क्यों अजीब लग रहे हैं आपने जब रिसेंटली जो गुड मूवीज में आपने भूमि को देखा है, शी वाज लिटिल फैट. अभी तो बिल्कुल फैट भी चला गया, मुंह पे भी कुछ नहीं है और होंठ बड़े हो गए, वही नजर आ रहे हैं.
हाँ यार कसम से यार मैं बोला यार ये क्या है यार. वो बीच में I wouldn't like to insult any girl, any woman, because every woman I think is very beautiful. Naturally God has made every woman very beautiful, so you don't have to do all these things. This looks very artificial, but she's done a good job performance wise. She's done a good job. She can do a good job. Performance. If she gets a good role, she's done a good job. I mean, till the end. But the movie goes haywire, and if you finish the movie, the web series, it's okay. I mean, if you do it, बाकी क्या बोलने का. But
मैं बोलता हूँ कि देखना चाहिए, देख लें आप. अगर आपको देखनी है तो you should go and watch it. It's on Amazon Prime.
Yeah. I am
It's
watching.
available. Go watch
7
it.
series are there, 7 episodes are there, and in the end, I'll tell you the worst part is the director has finished it. He's done everything, but he has not answered many questions. I'll tell you, Rana, I'm telling you, there are many questions which you will say कि यार उसका मर्डर क्यों किया, वो ये क्यों किया. I'm telling you, they have to clear it out. एक दो मर्डर किया, उसने उसका वजह बताया, लेकिन बाकी के जो 3-4 मर्डर थे वो क्यों किया. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो पहले का मर्डर था, वो जो कुत्तों को खाना खिला रहा था, वो जो है उसका मर्डर क्यों किया. इतना बड़ा मर्डर जो हुआ वो क्यों हुआ. So many there are unsolved questions which disturb you, which irritate you. कि यार you have to clear out everything.
ये तो है, कहीं पे इरिटेशन तो होती है कि मतलब यहाँ पे अभी रिवील होगा, अब होगा नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, so I think
मतलब अगर ये देखना चाहिए कि मतलब, और दूसरी वो तो था जो कुत्ता वाला का था, और जो उससे पहले जो मारे थे वो कलेक्ट करके रख रही है कि इसके ये अच्छा किया था, बाद में बुरा किया.
No, I think it's
क्लियर नहीं है.
Yeah, I think the director has messed up, and I feel they could have done a fantastic thing. The subject, like I told you, the subject was good. They could have done a nice thing. And sometimes, when you have a nice subject, you should sell off that subject to a filmmaker, make a nice movie of 2 hours, and actually it could have been a very gripping movie. Very recently I watched a movie called Raat Akeli Hai, second part with Nawazuddin, and I think it was a fantastic movie. Yaar. It was nice, short, 1 hour, 50 minutes, 2 hours, and it was gripping. You couldn't solve the murder, and in the end, suddenly you have a suspense. Finish, picture khatam. You could, Raat Akeli Hai could have been a web series for 7 episodes and could bore us.
But see,
that is it.
होना भी तो चाहिए ना 7 episodes.
So this is it, yeah. This is dal for you. No, it's up to you. If you want to watch it, watch it. If you have free time, watch it with your family, friends, and enjoy yourself.
Just play and go to sleep.
That's dal. That's all.
And the next movie for today, it's Shelter, Hollywood movie which recently Sunil Bhai has watched. As usual, not me. बताइए Shelter के बारे में.
Yeah, I went to the cinema. I'm a Jason Statham fan, so this is a typical movie for all the Jason Statham fans, and it's a typical Jason Statham movie. But actually, my expectations went high because last year I watched his movie The Beekeeper. The Beekeeper, I don't know how many of you have watched. It's a fantastic movie. It was a superb movie, well directed. The action scenes were fantastic. Large scale movie. In this movie, I was actually disappointed, very disappointed. First of all, some filmmakers make the movie in a dark shade. They use some kind of a lens which makes the movie on a darker side, foggy, dark shade. Even if it's the scenes are during the day, still the movie is dark. I don't know why. They have their own reasons, but it disturbs us. I feel you feel irritated. The day shots are also dark. So first of all, and this movie is produced by Jason Statham. So I wonder why did he choose such a movie? The first 20-25 minutes, there's nothing in the movie. He's living on an island, a deserted island. Lighthouse is there. He rescues a small girl, and the movie then moves out after 25 minutes. Then you realize that why is he on that island? He was an assassin working for the government, and now the government hires a team to assassinate him, to kill him off. And then the action starts and the movie goes in an action mode. But nothing is extraordinary. There's no action scene which is like, wow, what an action scene. Nothing. It just goes on, and the movie ends. Just ends. Nothing is extraordinary. It's okay. It's just an okay movie. You can just forget it, wait for it to release on an OTT platform. Rana, it was nothing extraordinary. I mean, The Beekeeper was far extraordinary, and this is just an okay movie. I think you can just avoid it. Sit at home and wait for the OTT platform. So that's my view. That's my personal view on Shelter, Jason Statham movie. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
So me and everyone, we should wait for the OTT platform, let it come to the OTT, and we'll watch it if we have free time. Because as Sunil Bhai said, there is nothing, so we should not go to the cinema and waste our time. Like to be honest.
Yeah, that's my honest opinion.
Yeah. Sunil Bhai, नैपक रोग तो था, वो अभी तक वहीं पे ही है. अभी फ्रंट पे नहीं लेके आया अभी.
आज नहीं, आज बहुत पका है वो.
और ये दूसरा कैरेक्टर जो अभी तक इंस्टाग्राम पे नजर आ रहा था, पूरे दुबई में हर जगह पेंगुइन हो रहा है, और अभी आप हमारे स्टूडियो में भी आ गए. इसकी क्या स्टोरी है?
कोई स्टोरी नहीं है. This penguin is creating.
पूरे दुबई में घूम रही है.
Yeah, this penguin has become very viral, and today he has come behind me, and it's in our studio. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our penguin for today. This is our he is with us. So say hello. See, now Shereen, hello.
आप लोगों ने देखा हो ना कि आजकल एक पेंगुइन है जो हर
जो दुबई में घूम रहा
वेन्यू
है।
में घूम रहा है, जा रहा है,
तो हमारे स्टूडियो में भी आ गया
हमारे
है।
स्टूडियो में भी आ गया।
तो हमारे साथ रहेगा, हमारे साथ रहेगा। वो क्रोकोडाइल भड़का हुआ है, उससे बात नहीं, हम लोग आज बात नहीं कर रहे हो, वो हम लोग से आज बात नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि हम लोग किसी और को इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं। लेकिन हमने उसके लिए फ़ोटो वोटो लगाया थे कि आपके सामने है।
मतलब है अभी, मतलब आपकी जो फोटो है अभी तक लगी हुई
हाँ,
है
उनके पुरखों की फ़ोटो।
पुरखों की फोटो।
बट आर गेस्ट फॉर
कुछ
टुनाइट,
ज्यादा ही डायमंड्स जड़े में, मतलब क्या कुछ
नहीं बस वो है। बट आर गेस्ट फॉर टुनाइट इज दिस पेंगुइन व्हिच इज मूविंग अराउंड दुबई। सो दिस इज द पेंगुइन, ही इज विद अस टुडे. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching our video today. And if you have any comments, please don't forget to say anything, whatever you want. If you like our videos, if you do dislike our videos, say whatever you want. Whatever you want. Today, I've promised Rana not to say anything about any actor, Salman Khan or Prabha or anyone. I promised him, because enough is enough. But we love
अभी
you.
तक बैकलैश आ रहा है उस चीज।
या अभी तक मुझे गालियाँ पड़ी।
मतलब हमें नहीं पता था कि मतलब इतना आएगा, एंड वी डिडंट डू इट ऑन लाइक पर्पसली।
Yeah.
जो हमारे दिल में था वो हमने
जो
बोल
सच
दिया।
था वो, but thank you so much for watching our videos, and do share, subscribe, please subscribe, do like us, and if you like it, but if you don't, we are very sorry if we are disappointing you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
So guys, this is the episode for today, and please share, like and subscribe, and share with your friends as well. If you're liking it, please share it with your friend and give us your feedback. Like if you want us to add something in this, we can add it for you. If you want us to cover some specific things related to Bollywood, Hollywood, whatever it is, like whatever Bollywood, Hollywood, Tollywood, please let us know. We will cover it for you. And as we said earlier, if there is any specific movie, upcoming movie, if we have missed it, let us know. We'll do it for you. We'll do a proper review. We'll watch it. We'll come to you. We'll give a feedback. And guys, this is the episode for today. Shab bakhair.
कुछ भी बोलते हैं